Welcome back to Brush and Overlay Cafe, where we brew Photoshop creativity. Have you ever made a hair selection in Photoshop only to end up with that annoying halo or weird unwanted colors around the edges? It used to drive me crazy until I found a tool and technique that completely changed the game. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super simple method to clean up those edges like a pro, and trust me, it's something most people don't even know about. So if you want to take your hair selections to the next level, stick around. This is going to save you a ton of time and frustration. I'm going to take this photo of a family out of its original background and put them into a new digital background. If you've downloaded already the latest version of Photoshop, then you'll have the capability of just clicking on Remove Background. And it's gone just like that. It does a really good job. In fact, it even kept some of those flyaway hairs. So now with my move tool, I'm just going to move these guys over into their new background. And this particular background is a layered PSD, so it's got ground cover. I'm just going to stick them right down in there, resize so it looks good. And from a distance, everything looks great. But this is what always happens. When you zoom in and really look around that hair, there's always some crazy halo or something going on. So what I'm going to do to fix this is click on the mask of the family layer, and then I'm going to come up here and select my lasso tool. I'm setting the feather at 15%. You're going to want it fairly high. So what I'm going to do with my lasso tool is just do a rough selection around the halo in her hair. And from here, I'll go to Filter, Other, Minimum. Now I'm going to click inside so you can see what's happening. So the white areas in this box are the white areas in the mask, and the black areas are the black areas in the mask. If I just turn my radius up, you'll notice that the white areas shift in. That's what the minimum filter does. It replaces the current pixel's brightness value with the lowest brightness value of the surrounding pixels. So it's replacing the white with the black. And it's doing it very smoothly since we set the feathering at a high amount. Control D to deselect. Let's see how this does on a different background. So I've got these guys on a plain white background as well. And if we zoom in, again, you can see her hair is completely messed up right here. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. Click on the mask and select my lasso tool with a feathering set at around 15%. Then I'm going to select around this area where the colors are just really bad, and then go to Filter, Other, Minimum. Again, I'll click inside so you can see what's happening. And I'm just going to turn the radius up to a level that I think looks right. So those surrounding pixels are bleeding their way into the white, and it looks very natural. And you have complete control over where you set the radius, so you can still maintain those flyaway hairs while getting rid of the halo that's surrounding them. To me, this is the quickest, easiest way to do it, especially if you've got an entire family that you have to edit, to just be able to go in and select each individual area and have that halo spot be gone within seconds is, to me, it's just the best way to do it. So I hope that was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to Brush and Overlay Cafe for more Photoshop tutorials. And check out my hair playlist. I've made an entire playlist dedicated to hair selections because I know that's one of the most frustrating things.